Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying the switch model and default IP address. This matters because different series use different defaults. Next, set your computer to a static IP in the same subnet, for example, 192.168.0.10, so you can communicate with the device. Once done, plug a straight Ethernet cable from your PC into a LAN port, power the switch, and wait for LEDs to stabilize. These steps get you to the login phase fast. You now access the management interface by browsing to 192.168.0.1 or starting an SSH/telnet session if the model supports CLI. This gives you faster, scriptable control. After logging in with defaults, change the admin password right away for security, then navigate to VLAN and port settings to assign tags or access modes as required. Make changes deliberately, apply them, and use the save or write command to persist settings across reboots. Finish by validating your changes. Ping critical devices, inspect link LEDs, and confirm VLAN separation or trunk behavior under real traffic. Once satisfied, export a backup of the config, and if a stable firmware update exists, apply it to reduce bugs, then enable SSH and lock down the account. If you cannot reach the switch, check for IP conflicts, faulty cables, or incorrect subnet on your PC. Trying a factory reset is a last resort if nothing else restores access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.